Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Kiana TV. So today I got my gifts from Toys R Us. Thank you, Toys R Us. I'm so excited to see what's inside of these boxes. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think we should start with this one. So let's open it up. Okay guys, so let's open this up. Wow! We have this Go Glam Mini Pattern Pack. Now, let's open up the next ones. Oops. So I guess I could just rip it that way. Inside we have... Oh my gosh! It's a new toy off the hook. Hi, brother. It's a new toy off the hook. I am so excited to open this. So, we have here Vivian, and she's part of the spring dance, since it says there. Also, we got surprises inside. Gosh, she's so cute.
She's so cute.
So, it's another one of the off the hook toys. And this time we have Alexis. And she's part of the summer vacation. So she looks very cool. She has a cherry skirt and she has orange hair, which I love. So let's move on to the last one. Ooh, who will this be? Oh my gosh! Oh, she's part of the spring dance too. Her name is Naya. And she's full of glitter, and her hair is metallic, blue metallic, which I love. So, she's with Vivian. They're both part of the spring dance. Well, she's part of the summer vacay. Okay, so I'll open all of this when we're in our next destination. But for now, thank you, Toys R Us fam!